and Communication Technology presents Educational Satellite Television Programs.
Welcome to today's lesson on the function of the kidney. Previously, we looked at the structure of the kidney and learned about the different components of this regulatory organ. In today's lesson, we will discuss several functions the kidneys have within the human body. Students, if you are prepared, then we will begin. The human body has the natural ability to regulate its inner environment. It does so to ensure stability in response to changes in the outside environment. This is referred to as homeostasis. One of the most important mechanisms of homeostasis is excretion. Excretion involves the disposal of waste products that may accumulate within the body and cause cell damage. Carbon dioxide and urea are the two most potentially harmful waste products that our bodies produce. Both carbon dioxide and urea are produced through the natural metabolic processes, and each is excreted differently within the body. There are several organs, including the lungs, the kidneys, and the skin, that are responsible for excreting waste products from our bodies. These are referred to as excretory organs. Carbon dioxide is produced during cellular respiration. Almost all of the carbon dioxide that is produced in our bodies is removed when we exhale. Thus, not only are the lungs the site of exchange of gas for respiration, but they are also used to excrete waste from our bodies. Students, please define homeostasis and excretion in terms of the human body. Also, try to name a few organs in the human body that perform excretion. You may begin now.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Welcome back, students. It is interesting to learn about the functions of the human body, is it not? Homeostasis is the body's natural ability to self-regulate its internal environment in response to the outside environment. Excretion is the disposal of metabolic waste products that could accumulate within the body and cause cell damage. The lungs, the kidneys, and the skin are all examples of excretory organs. Were your answers the same as mine? If so, then you are correct. Urea is another metabolic waste that can cause serious problems within our bodies. It is produced in our livers when excess amino acids are broken down. These extra amino acids come from worn-out body tissues as well as from protein in the food that we eat. If we consume too much fat or carbohydrates, then our bodies can store these as fat or glycogen until they are needed. However, our bodies are not able to store excess protein and amino acids. Therefore, any excess is broken down and converted into carbohydrates, which can either be stored or used and turned into ammonia. The ammonia that is produced in our bodies is combined with carbon dioxide, which provides another method of ridding our bodies of metabolic waste to produce urea. Urea is a form of nitrogenous waste that exits the liver through the bloodstream. It is then filtered out of the blood by the kidneys and is excreted from the body in urine. Students, did you know that your kidneys are one of your main excretory organs? As we previously discussed, they are the main organs of homeostasis. The kidneys also play a very important role in regulating the body's water and salt balance. If the concentration of fluids within our bodies changes, Water travels into or out of our cells by osmosis. This can damage our cells or even destroy them. We gain water when we drink and eat, and we lose water from our lungs through respiration and through feces. Thus, we are losing water, especially when we exercise and sweat. However, despite fluctuations in the amount of water present in the body, the kidneys manage to maintain balance. They remove excess water from our bodies through urine, and the amount of urine produced decreases when our bodies are short of water. As previously mentioned, the kidneys also regulate the salt balance in the body, which is very important. We obtain mineral ions through the food we eat and drink. We lose them when we sweat. The kidneys remove excess ions through urine. The balance of salts and water within the body is important because it impacts the osmotic process of cells. The control of this balance is known as osmoregulation. Thus, the kidneys are involved in two mechanisms of homeostasis: excretion and osmoregulation. Students, please explain how urea is excreted from the body. How are salts excreted from the body?